Welcome to this beautiful pool home located on an incredible 1-acre lot on Lake Charity in Maitland. This home has 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, over 4,000 square feet, and so much to offer, all in one floor. You will be impressed since you come in through the main door with the incredible floor plan. The kitchen area is so spacious and perfectly blended with the dining room and living room in an extra nice space with bar and cozy fireplace, creating an amazing entertainment environment for family and friends. The best area of this property is the huge backyard. Not only having an amazing pool all screened and a nice barbecue area, but also having this amazing terrace where you can sit down, relax, and enjoy the beautiful garden. This is such a great floor plan because at the same time it offers all social areas connected, perfect to entertain. It has a very private section for all bedrooms.